This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure Gemini is installed and signed into your Google account, then enable camera and photo library access. Once done, open Gemini and pick the image generation mode you need. Choose text only for new images, image edit to modify photos, or image to image to transform an existing shot. You should also check storage space and network. Slow Wi-Fi can bottleneck uploads. Now tap the chosen mode so you can enter your first prompt and begin generating. You now focus on the how. Craft a clear prompt describing subject, style, lighting, and desired aspect ratio. Use short, vivid phrases and commas to separate details. This helps the model prioritize. Next, adjust advanced controls, increase resolution for detail, lower guidance for creative variants, or set iterations for refinement. If you're editing, import the photo, paint a mask over the change area, and add a reference image to maintain color and composition. Once configured, hit Generate and watch previews build. You finish by refining and exporting. Inspect previews, request variations, and upscale the best result. Make incremental prompt tweaks, change one element at a time so you know what altered the image. When satisfied, export to photos or share directly. Choose PNG for transparency or JPEG for smaller files. If generation stalls or looks wrong, clear the app cache, switch networks, and simplify the prompt to basic nouns and styles. This often fixes hallucinations and speed issues. Save iterations so you can revert later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.